How to set up and add a signature in Microsoft Outlook desktop app. Open a new email message. On the message menu, select Signature and click on Signatures. Under Select Signature to edit, choose New, and in the New Signature dialog box, type a name for the signature. Under Edit Signature, compose your signature. You can change fonts, font colors, and sizes, as well as text alignment. You can also create one in MS Word and copy it with the formatting. Under Choose Default Signature, you can set the following options for your signature. New Messages. If you want your signature added to all new messages by default, in the drop-down box, select one of your signatures. Replies/forwards. If you want your signature to appear in the messages you reply to and forward, in the drop-down box, select one of your signatures. Choose OK to save your new signature and return to your message. All future messages will have the signature added automatically. To add the signature manually, select Signature from the message menu and then pick the signature you just created. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.